What's going on, guys? Tony here, back again with another video, and today's video we are checking the SabineTek SmartMike Plus. So this microphone was sent to me for review. It is actually $139, and I'll have the links down in the description below. You guys can check it out. So far I have tested it out. It works pretty good, and it comes with some pretty interesting features. So it is high fidelity sound quality, 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz, full band pickup, real-time mixing, and it even comes with a little earbud so you can monitor your audio recording in real time. And it's super light. It's about 15 grams, and the battery life, which I haven't tested yet, supposedly lasts about 6 hours. And we have 4 levels of noise reduction and 15 meters of distance. So this is a Bluetooth device. It does look like an e-cigarette, but it is not an e-cigarette, and it's a clip-on microphone. And the distance range on this clip-on microphone, once you pair it up to your device, is 15 meters. So 15 meters. We do have the smallest true stereo wireless microphone, only 14 grams. So this is going to be a game changer for my videos in generally, because now I can actually record and I don't have to worry about the distance. When I'm sitting recording a video, I can actually walk away. Like right now, I have to be up close because I am recording with the Pixel 6 Pro microphone, so I got to be kind of close. And this also comes with a couple of windscreen protectors. We do have the pop filter that is included, and we also have a what they call a dead cat filter, which goes on the microphone. It's like a furry filter. We also have AI speak recognition, and this is the best part right here. Comes in with a built-in teleprompter, so you don't need to worry about remembering long lines or nothing like that. I normally don't script anything, but this could be a game changer right here. I can actually maybe record or type in what I want to say, and then the teleprompter will actually start to work. So I'm gonna demo all this stuff, and I'm gonna show you guys. I do have the app, which is available on Android and in the App Store for iOS users. It is called SmartMike Plus. So let's go ahead and open and see what's in the box, and then I'll show you how to set it all up. So basically, this is the box that it came with. SmartMike Plus, you can see it's available for iOS, Android. You can vlog, Bluetooth microphone, and it's CES 2020. Here it is right here. I believe the locals are right here. Here they are. You can scan these QR codes to download the app. I already downloaded the app. It was available in the App Store for iOS, so I have it on my iPhone. And this is the packaging. You can read some of the information on here. This is the model number 5610, and made for iPhone, iPad, or iPod. So here it is. Anyway, let's go ahead and jump into it real quick. Do a quick unboxing. Like I said, I have tested it out, and it sounds real good. So this is the microphone itself, very small. Once you turn it on, you get a little blue light there. It'll start blinking. Here is the headphone port right there, so you can plug in a little earbud that is included. Put it in your ear, and you can listen to the audio real time, so you can adjust your gains. So it's a single button system there. You basically turn it on and off, and it'll even start recording once you have it turned on. Downside, it does have micro USB. I wish it was USB Type-C. I believe they do have a newer version, USB Type-C. So that's the microphone. Over here are the stuff that's included. You do get this little earbud, which I told you. You can plug it in, and you can basically listen to your audio while you're recording. You can't add a microphone. It doesn't support a microphone. It just plays the audio that you're listening to. And this is the dead cat filter, which goes on top of the microphone for extreme wind. I probably won't use that one that much. And here's the pop filter, which you can put right on top. It just goes right on top of there. And the charger, micro USB to USB type A. Here's the manual. It's the S610 manual. So here's the manual, and then we have the user guide, which is a pretty big book right here. Quick start guide. Shows you everything you're going to need to do as far as pairing it up and as far as adapters and stuff that you're going to need. This is pretty easy, straightforward. I went ahead and went to the App Store, looked for SmartMike Plus, and it showed up in the App Store, and I have it already installed on my phone. Let me wipe this down real quick. And I have it right here. This is the SmartMike Plus. See, the microphone is not connected yet, so let me back this up a little bit. You can see here, the app itself, you do have the teleprompter there. So this is pretty neat. This is a game changer for me because I can actually type whatever I need. I can record. I think it works both ways. Yeah, it does. You can do front facing. And check this out. A new teleprompter function has been added to the SmartMike Plus app. So you don't need to worry about forgetting your lines when shooting videos. The teleprompter supports text size, color, playback speed, and background transparency settings. In the teleprompter lines list, you can select the edited line to be displayed. Swipe left to edit or delete the line, and click the plus button to create a new line. Come and experience it for yourself. This is definitely a game changer. I like that. So here's how you go in here, and you can adjust the text size, the text color. You can change the color, playback speed. You can speed it up, slow it down, and the background transparency. You can make it just letters. You can see how that works right there. So this is, to me, it's going to be a little game changer. And then we do have some different filters you can use there. And let me see what else. If you go here, here's where you can record in 4K, 1080p, 720, 540, 60, 50, 30, and 25 frames, and video bitrate, high, medium, dual mode, anti-shake. You got video formats, you got grids, and I believe there is, once I turn the microphone on, which I'll do now, you'll see how it pairs up. So there it is, the microphone popped up on the top, and you can see here, let me go to the settings here. You can use different mics. You can use the phone mic, the mic, which is this one, and a different external mic. And if you go to Pro, you can adjust the mixing and all that other stuff, which I'm not very familiar with. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and test this microphone out and upload the video. We'll add it to this one towards the end. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and test these different filters that came along with it. The dead cat filter and the pop filter. And we do have 4 different modes here. I recorded some video, you can see there. Go back and teleprompter, microphone, gain, monitor, mixing, noise reduction. So here are the different modes. You can adjust that there. You got medium, you got high, or you got off. So we'll keep it on the first one for the video that we're about to make, and I'll add that video to the end here. All right, what's going on YouTube? Tony here, back again with another video for you guys. I am testing out the SmartMike Plus, which I got. Shout out to them for sending it out for me for review. I will have the links down in the description below. This mic is incredible. Not only the mic, but the app itself. I think it's a game changer for my line of work, for actually the content creator portion, because it does have that teleprompter, which I never script my stuff, but maybe I might start scripting it and see how it works, because it just runs right over the screen while you're checking it out. So anyways, another cool thing on this app, You can set the noise reductions. You have like 4 levels of wind noise reductions or whatnot. And I do have the pop filter on here. I forgot my dead cat filter. I forgot it in the box, but we're going to just test out this range. We're going to see how far it records. And another cool thing that I noticed while recording and using this app, you can flip cameras. So I can flip from the front, go to the back camera, come back, do wide angle, and I'll show you that right here on the fly. So we're going to go to the wide rear camera. You can see there the wide angle, and we can go to the telephoto lens right there on the fly, and then we can do the zoom. So the zoom is crazy. So here's where I'm going to keep it. I'm going to go ahead and walk to that first patch of green right there. It's a parking lot right here. I would say that's about 50 feet. I did walk way down there, but it was too far and it did disconnect. But I'm just going to walk to that first patch of grass right there, right here. And that's probably about 50 feet. So we're going to walk over there with this microphone. And you guys can see there's definitely some wind action going on. Hopefully I'll capture that on video. And we're gonna walk. It's windy and it's just an ugly day. It's kind of chilly, not too chilly, probably about 50, something like that. But yeah, pretty nice microphone. I like the fact that I can go pretty far. I don't think I'll ever go that far, but I do have an action cam that I have that I can use. Let me flip this camera around. I like this part. So we'll flip back to the selfie camera. I do have an action cam that I've been wanting to use. It's a real good camera when it comes to the video recording, but the audio is not so good. So with this particular microphone, it's going to be awesome because I can just record the audio separately and then I can merge it in post and sync it all up. So here it is. I'm recording with the iPhone 13 Pro Max. It's on a magnetic car charger, so probably not the best charger to record video on, but it is a great charger just to put it up there and use for navigation, maps and stuff. But yeah, the SmartMike Plus audio recording. Drop the comments down below. I will have the link in the description below so you guys can check out this mic. I give it a thumbs up. We out.